Wig grips. They are, in my opinion, a must-have for all wig wearers because they are the easiest way to make sure that your wig stays secure on your head through everything, even when you try to give yourself whiplash. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about these right now. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. And since Wig Guru is having their summer sale, I thought I would make another video. I've shared their products with you in the past. A while back, I actually did a comprehensive video sharing all the different types of wig grips that they carried at the time of that video. Because let me just tell you guys, I didn't like wig grips in the beginning of my journey. And it was just that I was trying the wrong type of wig grip for me. And I assumed all wig grips were made the same, and that is simply not true. And Wig Guru has, I think, maybe 10 different types of wig grips right now. So for sure, they have something that will work for you over there. And now's a great time because they're having a sale, and I can put some details in the description box below. But for my new wig wearers, I just want to take a moment and share with you some tips that might help you, because I know one of our biggest fears when we start wearing wigs is that our wig is going to fly off our head and embarrass us in public. And it's a real fear, but it doesn't have to happen. And as I showed you in the beginning, in the intro, if you will, a wig grip is going to keep your wig secure on your head. It's so easy to put a wig on over a wig grip, and it literally just holds that wig on. I could go on a roller coaster with this wig on my head, and this wig is not going to come off. So wig grips are a wonderful solution, but if you need a little bit more security, Wig Guru also makes my favorite adhesive, which I've shared before. It's called Lace Stick, and it's a pen adhesive. It's so great. It's water soluble. It's really gentle, and I just remove it with a wet washcloth. So let me tell you a little bit about when I might choose to wear a wig grip or when I might choose to use adhesive. When it comes to everyday wig wearing, just throwing a wig on, whether it's for just a little bit to run errands or all day, in general, I choose wig grips because to me, they're a no-brainer. They're super easy to wear. They're really comfortable. And I tend to have a little bit of a small, more of an average petite head measurement. So I actually like having the security of a wig grip because a lot of wigs fit me a little large. The wig I have on my head right now is Trend by Tressallure, and I get a lot of extra cap in this thing, and a wig grip holds it perfectly securely. I don't have to worry about it going anywhere, and I don't have to mess around with adhesive. So if I wanted to take this wig off, even just briefly, I haven't glued the lace down, so I don't have to worry about anything with that, and I can just pull the wig off and put it back on when I'm ready. What I love about Wig Guru is the options that are available. So the wig grip that I have on right now is, and I can put some details below. This is the Wig Grip Affix S. So it's got this silicone on both sides. And this one has a stretchy strap in the back. It does adjust just a little bit, so you can adjust the size some. We have got the lace right here, which is great because if you have a mono top or a mono part wig, then you can position the wig grip so the lace is where that part is, and then you're not going to see the wig grip through that lace. This is a great option if the wig that you have fits you pretty well, so you don't want a lot of extra bulk underneath because it's not thick all the way around. So a lot of wig grips look like, and Yelly has every kind you can think of, look like this. So they're thick all the way around. And for some people, that is too much bulk. For me, this generally works really well because, again, a lot of wigs are big on me. And so adding a little bit of extra bulk underneath my wig is just fine. And so I throw this one on, and I usually wear this one a lot, actually. And then I throw my wig on over. And again, my wig is super secure. It is not going anywhere. And it's such a relief, especially if you're new or if wigs tend to be loose on you. This is going to hold it down perfectly. She also makes a wig grip that has a silicone string. So this is even more lightweight than the first one that I had on my head that had the strap. This one's even thinner and even lighter. So if you do really struggle with wigs being tight on you, maybe you have a little bit of bigger head measurements, maybe you purchased a wig that was a size smaller than you needed because you didn't know, and so now you're trying to make it work. This one is so great. I can't remember the name of this one. I'll look it up, but if you go to her website, they're all listed there. I didn't keep the packaging because I wear these, and so I don't always have all the names in front of me, but these are wonderful for wigs that you really don't want a lot of extra bulk in, but they still hold your wig down great. So amazing what she has done with this. So there, I've got the string in the back. Let me kind of get this situated. And then, so see, there's no bulk. So now I'll put my wig on, but it's still going to hold my wig securely because it's got the wig grip on the top. So if I were to give myself whiplash again, my wig is not going anywhere. I'll be honest with you guys, it doesn't feel as secure as with the other ones because I don't have wig grip material all the way around, and this wig is really big on me. It's going to hold it fine for just everyday running errands, sitting in an office, but I wouldn't wear this one if I'm going to be really active. I would want one of the thicker grips for that. But I have a wig that's really small on my head, and I cannot wear a regular wig grip underneath it. This one I shouldn't say is going to be because I've worn it. This one's perfect for that wig because it isn't big. So again, so many different options that will hopefully work for what you're looking for. And then finally, the adhesive. To me, this is the only adhesive that most wig wearers would ever need. It is water soluble, so it does come off with water. You would have to sweat a lot for you to sweat it off, but the next step up would be an adhesive that requires an adhesive remover, which is just a little bit more than most of us wig wearers need on a daily basis. I have a video showing you exactly how to use this, and I keep one in my purse at all times. So for me, Wig Guru really covers the bases for me when it comes to securing my wigs. With all the wig grip choices, with the lace stick, I don't have to worry about anything. And I do always have multiples around just for, you never know when I might need a different type of wig grip for a different scenario. She even has wig grips with hair Velcro on them. That's a little Velcro material. So if you have struggled with wig grips not staying put, maybe your hair is baby fine and really slippery, the hair Velcro is great for that. It basically just grips your hair. So the hair Velcro is not appropriate for people who don't have any bio hair, but for those of you who do, you can put that on, and then this is going to grip into your hair and keep it even more securely. So Wig Guru, just want to tell you guys about her. I want you to know she has a 15% off sale going right now. I'll put some details in the description box below. I highly recommend. Plus, she's a wig sister. Support a small business. Support a wig sister small business and give them a try. And if you've tried them, leave some feedback in the comments. I would love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you soon.
Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.